2006 Gulf Stream Sun Voyager 8398 MXG for sale in Grand Junction, Colorado 81507. Spread your wings and fly with this 2006 Gulf Stream Sun Voyager 8398 MXG. This Class A motorhome is 39 feet in length and features a spacious floor plan. Perfect for creating memorable experiences with loved ones and friends. Powered by a strong-powered Cummins Diesel Puller engine mated with an Allison automatic transmission. This RV has 2 slide-outs and offers sleeping accommodations for up to 4 guests. Hit the road with minimal effort because this rig is equipped with leveling system, backup camera and captain's chairs. This Gulf Stream Sun Voyager will be making your traveling dreams come true for many years to come. This 2006 Gulf Stream Sun Voyager 8398 MXG is ready to become your next home away from home. This luxury unit has been outfitted with exceptional amenities to ensure that you experience top-quality residential living right on the campsite. Highlights of these features include Corian countertops, 3-burner stove, microwave, 3-way refrigerator/freezer, double kitchen sink, dinette, television, surround sound, DVD/CD/stereo and motion satellite dish, sofa, sleeper chairs, glass, enclosed shower, master king-size bed, television, storage dresser/closet, new rear AC unit, 2 furnaces and so much more. This 2006 Gulf Stream Sun Voyager 8398 MXG is ready to be your next home away from home. Don't miss out on this incredible opportunity to invest in your happiness. This fully loaded Gulf Stream Sun Voyager is priced to sell. Call today for more information on how you can cherish every moment of your RV experiences with this fantastic Class A 2006 Gulf Stream Sun Voyager 8398 MXG.